Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to bookmark a particular URL. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and click on this three dots option, and you can see the option here, bookmarks. Okay, so you can select the bookmarks this tab option. Okay, so before that I need to bookmark one particular URL. So I will bookmark Google URL. Okay, again come to this three dots option and use the bookmarks option and click on this bookmark this tab option. Let it be the name as Google itself, and I need to create one particular folder to bookmark this URL. Okay, so click on this more option, and I will select the bookmarks bar option, and I will create one new folder for this. So let's save this URL into this particular folder. Now you can come again and see the bookmarks option, and click on this particular folder Google and click on this URL. Okay, if you want to show the bookmarks bar, okay, you can select this bookmarks bar option. Okay, now you can see whatever I have created a folder as Google and bookmark the URL as a google.com URL. You can see here, and also if you want to see the all the bookmarks what you have done. Okay, if there are maybe 10 or 20 bookmark URL, so you can use this bookmark manager option. Okay, so click on this option. Okay, if you have there are maybe some 10 to 20 URLs you have bookmarked it. Okay, so you can see that all this option in the bookmark manager page, it will open in the new tab window. Okay, so you can click the Google now, and you can click I have saved it as a one of the URL as a Google URL. So you can click this and you can see the URL name. Okay, so like this you can use the bookmark manager in the Google. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.